sitting in the new backhoe. Just looking at how much of a piece of junk it is. Because let's say this is how I drive. Oh wait, let's get this done first. If this was a deer, you wouldn't have that. We'd have it all right here. But it's not that. This is 2017 and we don't have a goddamn parking brake, electric parking brake. What the fuck is this, cat? Oh yeah, let me show you how you turn the seat around. You get stuck on the seat, and then you smash your goddamn leg in that. It's horrible. Beep! Stop beeping, you piece of shit. Piece of junk. Let's go over to the deer and we'll show you how you get in the deer.